Okay, baby. Here go your Takis. Here go your honey bun. Right here. Set it right there, okay? And, what else you say you wanted, baby? Oh, yeah. A Kool-Aid pickle. Uh-huh. I'm gonna get you a Kool-Aid pickle right now. Yeah. How everything been going down there? That's good. You ain't running with the wrong folk, wrong people, huh? Yeah. I know you was over there talking to that old knucklehead boy. You need to leave him alone. You do. Ain't nothing like peace, baby. If they don't come with peace, I don't want them. They coming with a headache, baby. They can go on the other way. They can. Yeah. Here go your Kool-Aid pickle, baby. Okay. All right. That'll be $3.